something slanted.
Something slanted.
I'm stumbling, fumbling, tripping and tumbling down. I'm under its spell, I'm under its spell.
Something slanted.
I've tried till I've cried, but I can't even hide in my shell. Can't you tell? Oh no, got the hiccups.
Hiccup,
from
hiccup, 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 and as long
What if
as
we're
I
not
keep feeding
right?
the
Thoughts that keep repeating, they'll just continue leading me. Oh.